Hello again guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before the summer ends in the Philippines and just the beginning here in Europe, we're going to make one of the very popular Filipino frozen dessert, which is the ice candy. But this time, it's made up of ice cream called ice Creamdy. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, here are our ingredients. We need dark chocolate, condensed milk, chilled double cream in a freezer for at least 30 minutes before using, and evaporated milk. We also be needing this utensil for making this ice candy, which is the trending Magnum. The reason why we need to chill our double cream at least 30 minutes in a freezer before using is to make it stiff easily in consistency. Now let's add our condensed milk. And our evaporated milk. Within these three ingredients, we can make a delicious ice cream dessert. But at this time, we're going to use it in making our trending Magnum ice Creamdy, which is made of ice cream in an ice candy form. Just mix all the ingredients and set aside. On a clean pot, just crush our dark chocolate so that it can easily be melted using the process of double boiling. We're going to use this dark chocolate to cover our ice cream on an ice candy plastic so that it can look like a Magnum ice cream in an ice candy form. On another pot, let's boil some water and put on top of it our dark chocolate. And start mixing it until it completely dissolved and melted. Just keep stirring until this consistency. Now, let's turn off the flame. Using sauce bottle, just pour in our melted dark chocolate. You may wish to keep this hot water because on the later part of the process, our dark chocolate will easily get cold and very stiff to fill in our ice candy plastic, so you have to keep it warm. Now let's start filling our ice candy plastic. With our dark chocolate, just fill in our plastic about a tablespoon of chocolate. We'll be using a spatula to spread this chocolate on the plastic. Now, let's spread it using spatula. And let's try filling it with our ice cream mixture. Using funnel, start filling the plastic with the ice cream mixture and leave some gap in order to tie the plastic. The purpose of this dark chocolate is to replicate one of the very popular ice cream in the world, which is the Magnum, but in this form of ice candy. That's why it's called Magnum Ice Creamdy, which is trending in this time. If you like these recipe videos, you may also visit our other YouTube videos of cooking and DIY on our channel, Facebook page, TikTok, Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Just repeat the process until we have enough plastic for our ice cream mixture. No? And here's our Magnum ice cream in an ice candy form. That's why it's called Magnum Ice Creamdy in our very popular Filipino frozen dessert. Before serving, we have to freeze it in a freezer at least overnight and enjoy. Here are our Magnum Ice Creamdy. Enjoy it with your kids to beat the heat of this summer and enjoy. Thank you very much and God bless. As we always saying, enjoy cooking, happy eating. Bye-bye!